Hey everybody, this is Daryl Collette with Automotive Quality Solutions. We are here today with Sam Wiley. Sam was our grand prize winner from our August 11th Cars and Cigars show that we hosted here. And he is a proud owner of a 2014 GMC Acadia. And the grand prize for that day was an Opti-Coat Pro Plus installation. So valued on this particular vehicle of $14.99.
Yes.
That was done about 2 months ago.
Yep.
And he's here for the post-Opti wash. So we'll go over the car, give it the wash that's included in the service. And for any vehicle owner that's getting an Opti-Coat Pro Plus, we want to make sure you know how to take care of the vehicle at home and manage the maintenance of it, which is very little, and also give a free sample of products to use at home to keep the car looking its best for the entire time that you own it. So check out the video. Welcome, Sam.
Thank you.
And stay tuned for future videos of what we're doing to his car.